Okay guys, hi Kelsey, you know who I am. This is the test that I took, what was it, yesterday? Was it only yesterday? It was only yesterday. I took this yesterday and it said pregnant 1 to 2 weeks, and now it doesn't say anything. And you know, of course I've always wanted to take apart a clear blue digital that was actually like positive, so I'm gonna take this apart and see what it looks like. Alright, I finally got it open. So, take that apart. Huh. So, I have no idea what I'm looking at. I need to find my picture from the one that I took last month of the week's estimator. Hold on. Alright, so the top picture is from the test that said pregnant 1 to 2 weeks. The bottom is from last month and it said not pregnant. The only difference that I see is that those faint lines are just a little bit darker on the positive one. So there you have it. I don't see that much of a difference, but there's definitely a difference. So, the more you know.